I think everyone knows the film G.I. Joe this year. It's really fantastic. The guns, the fightings, and the handsome guys. It really has an amazing fantasies about the future techniques. And remember the bad guy who slashed his own face? He has nano-robots in his body, and he could do very amazing things like changing his own face to imitate the president. Well, even the film editor knows that nanotechnology is playing an important role in science research nowadays. So this summer, we decided to make some contribution to the DNA worker. This is an origami. We'll attach it to a stem loop structure. This structure can be opened by some small molecules, such as ATP. The stem domain will be exposed, and this domain could cause the DNA strands in the solution start to polymerize. The main process is like this. 4 kinds of DNA strands will form a polymer one by one. The DNA strand has 2 stem loop structure, and it will be stable enough and won't have any reactions without the exposed stem loop structure. While the polymer met the terminator DNA, the sticky ends of the polymer will bind to the terminator DNA, so that the polymerization process will come to an end. So, a beautiful self-assembly track that could be induced is constructed, and we wish that it could be used in a delivery device. Inside the DNA origami, there are the DNA workers. When the track is built, and we can add some enzyme to release the worker from the origami. The DNA worker has feet, which called DNA enzyme. It can bind to the tails of the polymer, and it could cut them. After performing the cleavage, the DNA enzyme leaves its substrate and finds another one to bind. This keeps the DNA worker working. So, it could be working this way, or in this way, even in this way. We made a 3D module for this device, and it looks really awesome. This kind of device has a very bright future in molecular transport. Especially sometimes it's not that convenient to build a special track for a particular worker. This kind of track is totally self-assembly and can be induced. And the track forming technique makes DNA worker a better potential in transportation in vivo or some other conditions that could be difficult to build DNA tracks with planting or huge annealing. And maybe one day the DNA robots can really be used to do something in human body just like the way in the film. If you want to see more information, welcome to our wiki.